What's good, YouTube? I'm trying to make a POV today. Shit, it's been a minute since the last POV drive. I think the last video I made was before RIT, that little car meet I went to. So shit, I was like, fuck it. Today I ain't really doing nothing crazy, so I might as well do a little POV. This might be a quick video because I gotta also go pick up my girl from the airport. So yeah, I'm in eco mode right now. I've been cruising. Trying to save some gas, man. Shit getting terrible. But before I have to go pick her up, I'm gonna probably just like cruise around the town. See what that's like. Turn this air off. That Beamer looked tough. Them red wheels was clean. This Altima with the purple front end is crazy. City is getting worse. Caught at the bus. That's fucked up. No, I should go back to Walmart. I done dropped my cookies earlier. I'm gonna go into sport mode. I'm gonna go back to Walmart. That's where we gonna go. Take the YouTube to the Walmart. Drop my fucking cookies earlier. Damn. We is not going fast on this road. This shit fuck. Why is shit the whole way? Rochester gotta do better. Shit is terrible. That's why I've been in eco mode. Why is he turning the corner so tight? Fuck. Weirdo. Mad fucking close, bruh. I could've went. I don't know why I just sat there. Damn, son. Ain't no way, boy. I ain't coming back over here. What the fuck? Ain't no fucking way, boy. that shit look tough. F-150. Oh, hell fucking no. Hell no, bro. What the fuck? Can my car even drive? I don't even think this shit gonna go over that, to be honest. That's crazy. I'm not doing that. I don't think I'm doing that. Fuck no. Hell no. I'm not doing that. My car can't drive over that. My whole front end gonna come on. This dude not gonna let me turn around right here. Fuck him. Cause I'm gonna do it anyway. Nigga, I see you. Nobody about to hit you. Weirdo. Car is not going through that shit, bro. It feeling weird, let the car shift by itself. I'm like, damn, the time to shit. I don't know how the fuck. Why is that like that? Now I have to go back over this fucked up shit. Ain't no way, bruh. Damn, Walmart might be a dub. Might have to go to the airport. Cause the line gonna be crazy. It's already 4:30. Yeah, might as well just head to the airport for the fucking cookies, man. I dropped them as soon as I got out of the car. Trying to bring them in the house. Well, that wasn't that bad. I'm not going down that shit either. Bro, it's like off-roading here. And people be like, lower your car. We off-roading. Oh, nah, you know what? We gonna keep going straight. Alright, y'all, I'm sorry about that. Fucking what the fuck, bro? This is nothing but potholes over there on that one side of the road. I think I want to move. It's probably like that everywhere. Let's crack this open. Crack this open a little. It's a little something. Nada trying to run. Don't run, bitch. Oh, is that a Supra? Look at the fucking Supra. And his license plate says Supra. That's tough. I would definitely buy one of those. Well, damn. Well, damn. It's quite busy over here. Well, shit, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all liked it. It's just a little something. Probably not gonna do much editing to this one because, I mean, it's not really to edit. So, y'all probably be getting this tonight. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next one. What's going on?
Man, that's dark.
Yeah.
You can't just sit. You know where your people are?
Yeah, she waiting for her bag.
Okay, I will give you a minute. But if they're not out or ready, at the minimum, take a loop. But we usually tell people go wait in the cell phone lot till they're actually out here.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
All right, I'll probably just take a loop then.
Okay.
All right. Well.
Oh, the bitch put a lot, don't play with the game, get put in the box.
Boss shit, Rick Ross shit. I didn't hit no more about the check up in my pockets. I ain't caring what the cost is. We done came from low.